It's just the gravity pressure out of the pond. Some debris. But yeah, it's tapped into the bottom of the pond down there. It's basically got a standpipe on a 2-inch line, and then that standpipe is in a big barrel, and the barrel's filled with 57 gravel, or gravel size is 57s, and the standpipe is drilled with a bunch of holes, so that's like our first filter. Comes from the bottom of the pond there through the dam. The dam is sealed with the bentonite clay, and then we're running 2-inch line out here with just a valve where we can attach a quick coupling onto for our water pump. After that, we run a sand filter, and then we'll send that to whichever field we're irrigating, and at the field we'll have another disc type filter.